Hi class and welcome to our classroom. Are you ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so our topic is if and nested if function. So this afternoon, we will be focusing on these two functions that we can use in Excel. Okay, we are going to talk about how it is properly used, and we are going to apply it later to the tables that we prepared for this class. Let's now proceed to our lesson for today. On your work text, on page 108 to 109, I would like you to answer this page. Okay, on the first page 108, you see there a smart art of the if. If yung word na if na nasa gitna ng smart art natin. Okay? So, question there is, what is your insight every time you hear the word if? Halimbawa, may kausap kayo at yung statement ng kausap ninyo lagi nag-uumpisa sa if. Ano yung pumapasok sa isip ninyo? Ano yung naiisip ninyo bigla? O yung statement niya nag-start sa if. Yan. Ano kaya ang naiisip ninyo bigla? And then, sa page 109 naman, you are going to complete the sentence. Okay? There's no wrong answer there. You just need to make a meaningful sentence. Okay? Fill in the blank lang yan. Okay? So, I will be giving you a minute. Let's have 2 minutes to answer this. Okay? And then, you are going to share your answer with the class after. Timer starts now.
A few minutes later.
Okay? Time's up. Ano po ang unang pumapasok sa isip natin every time we hear the word if, or during the communication, we hear the word if?
Condition.
Condition. Okay, very good. When we say if, or if the statement starts with if, yon, diba? There's always a condition there. Okay? Nagbibigay siya ng isang kondisyon or ng isang sitwasyon kung saan kapag nangyari yung isang bagay na yon, okay, may result tayo na ine-expect. Okay? So, di ba, kapag nag-aral akong mabuti, papasa ako. Okay? The condition there is mag-aaral ka munang mabuti. Okay? Para pumasa ka. That's the condition. So, that's in English we use that if as a conditional. Pero sa subject natin sa computer, we also have if. Okay? And we call that if function. Okay? If function po ang conditional ang gamit natin diyan. Ibig sabihin, nag-state din tayo ng condition, nag-state din tayo ng situation para makakuha tayo ng particular result. So, we have here the sentence, if the score is 48 to 50, it is good. So, makikita natin na meron tayong condition dito. Kailangan ang score mo ay within 48 to 50 para masabi na good yung iyong performance. Okay? The same then dun sa second sentence natin, if the score is 51 to 50, yan po yung condition. Kailangan 51 to 55 yung iyong scores para ma-very good ka naman. Okay? Para ma-very good ka. So, kailangan natin tandaan na ang condition or ang if function is merong pinapakitang condition muna or situation. Okay? So, halimbawa may nahon, dito po sa second sentence natin, can you give me the condition needed to happen para magkaroon ka ng result? Ano ang condition natin dyan? Dun sa first sentence natin. Kapag ang rating lang natin ay 50 to 55. Yan lang yung ating condition. Ang result ay satisfactory. Okay? Yan po yun. Naintindihan po ba? Clear po ba? What about yung second part ng sentence natin? If it is 56 to 60, it is high satisfactory. Ano po dyan ang condition? Okay. If it is 56 to 50, saka ka pa lang makakakuha ng high satisfactory. So, ito po yung statements na nagbibigay ng condition at nagpapakita ng results. Okay? Kasi sa computer or sa Excel, ang if function ay tinatawag ding conditional function. Nagbibigay siya ng condition para makakuha ka ng result. Okay? So, every time or everything that we do, ang laging sinasabi, meron siyang repercussion. Laging may consequence. Okay? So, tandaan natin kapag may ginawa tayo, lagi yan merong repercussion or meron yan babalik sa atin. Okay? So, itong ating if function, kapag nilagay natin sa Excel, ito yung magiging itsura niya. Okay? So, meron tayong dito, meron tayong condition. Ayan, yung condition natin. And ito yung result natin. Mamaya ipapaliwanag ko kung paano nangyayari yan. Okay? Meron tayong condition and meron tayong result. Pero sa paggawa ng condition sa Excel, meron importanteng ginagamit na operators. Okay? So, ito po yung take note natin, yung operators natin. Yan. Example lang po yan. Greater than or equal to ang isa sa mga operators na ginagamit natin sa if function or conditional function ng Excel. Pero marami pa pong iba. So, let's proceed now. So, these are the operators na pwede natin magamit. As we move along with our lesson, malalaman natin or magagamit natin isa-isa yung mga operators na yan. Please be reminded of our God bites today. Yan katulad niya, no? When justice is done, it brings joy to the righteous but terror to evildoers. Tulad ng sinabi natin kanina. Every time we do a condition or gumagawa tayo sa isang sitwasyon, we are always expecting something in return. So, hindi naman palaging ganun. Pero tandaan po natin na every time na may ginagawa tayong tama, meron ding tama na babalik sa atin. Or whatever we do, there's always a repercussion. Something will go back or will come back to us. Okay? So, always choose to do the right thing para tama rin or right thing din yung babalik sa atin. Okay? Reminder po yan sa atin ng God bites in relation to our conditions, to our conditional function, to our topic for today. Now, going to our topic for today, we are going to apply if conditions or if functions to Excel para mas ma-clear natin or mas magkaroon tayo ng idea paano ba ginagawa or ina-apply ang if conditions. Okay, punta po tayo dun sa first sheet natin, yung if, yung pangalan ng sheet niya, if, yan, paki-check po. Okay, magpa-practice po muna tayo bago tayo pumunta sa exercises talaga na nasa libro. Okay, so, pakitaas nga po ang kamay, kindly raise hand or give me a thumbs up, mga anak, kindly give me a thumbs up if you were able to download the Excel. Kindly give me a thumbs up, please, if you are able to download Excel. So this time, we are going to apply the if function in Excel. Okay, now, what I want you to do now is to read to me the conditional statement under the table of this what we have in our Excel. Okay, so anybody who would like to read the conditions under the movie table there?
If the profit was less than 100 million, then the movie is a flop. Otherwise, the movie is a success.
Okay, very good. So, if the movie's profit is less than 100 million, then the movie is a flop. Otherwise, the movie is a success. O what is the condition there? Ano yung condition na binibigay ng statement? Para masabi natin na flop or success siya.
100 million if when the movie was less
Okay. Very good. The profit should be, or if the profit is less than 100, saka natin madedetermine kung flop or success ang isang movie. Kapag less than 100 million, flop siya. Pag more than that, ibig sabihin successful yung movie. So, paano natin siya madedetermine sa Excel natin? So, tingnan po natin mabuti dito, ha? Tingnan po ninyo paano gagawin ni Madam, tas gayahin nyo na lang po. Okay? So, dito po muna tayo sa Spider-Man 3. Okay, ito po yung profit niya. Yung profit niya ay nasa column D. Okay? So, ilalagay natin yung formula dito sa column E. Okay? So, lahat po ng formula, just what we have discussed, always starts with an equal sign. Okay? It should always starts with equal sign. Followed by the if function, or let me make it capital letter. Okay? Okay, followed by the if function. And then the open parentheses, anak. And then let's click on the profit because this is the profit of Spider-Man 3. There. And sabi, if the profit is less than 100 million. So let's put on the less than bracket there. Okay, less than bracket. 100 million. So there should be 8 zeros. So 1, then 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We do not put comma in between the zeros. Okay? And then, we put the comma after the zeros. Okay? We put the comma after the zeros. And then, followed by an open quotation. Okay? And then, what we put inside the quotation is the remarks that we would like to appear on the column E. So, sabi natin kapag less than 100 million, dapat flop. Kung hindi, dapat success yung lalabas. Okay? And then close it with close parentheses. Okay? Did you get it? Did you get the formula? So, we have the equal sign, then the if function, and D2, which is the cell name for the profit of Spider-Man 3, lesser than 100 million, then flop, and then success. Okay? And then let's press enter. We are going to see if Spider-Man 3 is a success or a flop. Okay? Can you give me an answer? Were you able to do the same formula? Okay? Sino po makakapagbigay sa akin ng sagot before ko i-press yung enter?
Success.
Okay, success po yan. Okay? So, instead na isa-isa, titingnan nyo yung isa-isa, pwede natin ipasok lang yung formula. What about King Kong 2005? Who can give me? Meron po tayong isa pang topic, yung tinatawag nating nested if. Yung nested if naman is kapag multiple conditions yung inilalagay natin or ginagamit natin, yung more than one if. Okay? Pag more than one if. So, paano po siya natin gagawin? So, punta po tayo sa second sheet, yung nested if po. Punta po tayo doon. Ayan, nakita niyo po ba? Ayan. So, this time, ayan, makikita natin, maliit lang yung table, pero marami siyang condition. So, yung conditions ay nasa letter E, yung result na in-expect natin ay nasa letter F. Okay po? Good na po? Are we good? Ayan. So, ang gagawin natin, so, isipin natin yung nasa column A, ito po yung mga scores. And then, ilalagay po natin yung remarks dito based doon sa condition na given. So, paano po yun? Gagawin po muna ni Madam, tapos gagayahin niyo po mamaya, ha? So, nested if tayo. So, equal sign, followed by if, parentheses, first open parentheses natin, and then click natin yung score, ayan, and then, open natin yung less than bracket. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, para makuha natin yung remarks na good, gagawin natin, it should be less than 51. Okay? So, kukunin po natin yung second lowest condition, yung 51. So, 51 po itatype natin dyan. So, ibig sabihin, then, comma, quotation. So, ibig sabihin, kapag yung score sa A2 ay less than 51, ang remarks niya ay dapat good. Dapat good. Okay? So, meron pa mga susunod. May very good pa, may satisfactory pa, may high satisfactory pa. So, comma ulit. Tapos type natin ulit, comma, open parenthesis, our second open parenthesis. Then, let's click again our score. And it should be less than, okay, the third lowest conditions, which is 56. Okay, pababa po. Dito lang po kinukuha natin yung lowest conditions. Comma, okay, open quotation. Ano na kaya ang remarks ang ilalagay natin ngayon? Kapag lower than 56 yung score, anong remarks po ang ilalagay natin? May nahon.
Satisfactory.
Pag lower than 56, ito.
Ay, very good pala. Sorry po.
Very good. Okay, so tama. So, very good siya. Okay? Eh, meron pang isa. Lower than 61 dapat. So, if ulit, type tayo ulit ng if, third open parenthesis. Let's click again on our score. This time, it should be lower than 61. Ito pong 61. Ito po yung 61. Okay? So, kapag lower than 61 po, ano po dapat ang condition niya? Ano po dapat ang condition kapag lower than 61?
Madam, satisfactory.
Okay, satisfactory. Satisfactory. Okay? Eh, madam, merong high satisfactory. Saan natin siya inilalagay? So, ilalagay natin siya dito sa dulo. Comma, and then open quotation, then high satisfactory, then close quotation. And then, yung close parenthesis natin is kung ilang beses tayo nagkaroon ng open parenthesis. So, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, open parenthesis. So, tatlo rin po ang close parenthesis natin. Okay? And then, enter natin yan. Okay? We got high satisfactory because it is not lower than the given conditions. Sige nga. What about yung 50? Ano kayang remarks na makukuha natin dyan? Sige nga, tingnan nga natin. Pasok natin ulit yung condition natin. Ulitin natin yon. Equal sign. We have the if. Open parenthesis. Let's click on the score. Less than 51. Kasi siya yung dito. Yung second lowest condition. Comma. Okay. Open quotation, and then let's have the remarks, comma again, and then type the if, parenthesis, go back to your score, okay, then less than, then let's type in 56 rather, comma, quotation, let's have the very good, same formula lang, inuulit-ulit lang natin para masanayan ninyo. Okay? And then again, let's type if kasi may satisfactory pa tayo. Parenthesis. And let's click on again the 50. Less than 61. Comma. This time it's satisfactory. Comma. And then high satisfactory. Okay? And then, 3 close parentheses because we have 3 open parentheses and then enter. Okay? So, we have the satisfactory of good. Remarks of good. Okay?
At kung nagustuhan ninyo ang video natin ngayon, i-click nyo na ang like button at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa mga susunod pa nating video. Kita-kita tayo sa susunod nating klase. Thank you very much and remember, be kind to one another.